everybody, today we're going to make Bajra cutlets which are very healthy. So first we soaked our Bajra in water overnight, then we put it in the pressure cooker until 1 whistle, and then let's mix with some potatoes, red chilies, onions, and now we're going to put some leaves, salt, coriander, turmeric, chili, and cardamom. Now, the next step to make this is you take 2 fingers of oil, dab it in your palms. Now you're going to take the spoon and you're going to make a ball out of it. Just like this, and then you put it in the fridge. Bye! So now for your third step, what you want to do is take the cutlets, put them into a pan with little bit of oil. You're going to shallow fry them until it's crispy and golden brown, that delicious texture. Then once you fry them, you're going to take them out, put them in a plate or bowl, and then enjoy the best snack you'll ever have in your life. It's healthy and amazing. Finally, I have made it. It looks amazing, doesn't it? Just look at yourself. And I hope you enjoy it. Bye!